Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view the various documents, how to add attachments, and how to request for external resources for a particular project from the project's application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on any project and click on any particular item of the project. The documents pertaining to a particular item or the project as a whole can be synced based on the Microsoft Teams group that has been linked during the creation of the project, which was explained in a video previously. Here, in order for the user to add attachments to the particular project item, the user can simply navigate to the Attachments tab and click on the Add Attachments option and browse a particular file. The files which have been uploaded via the KEBS bot will be displayed here. Once attached, the same can be seen here where it can be viewed and deleted as well. If the project manager is in need of an external resource to be part of the project, he or she can simply navigate to the team member section and create an allocation request for the same. The creation and manipulation of the same has been explained in the people allocation section of videos which have been uploaded previously. The people who have been allocated and approved by the project manager are displayed in the internal stakeholder section for the same, and they can be used within the project and can be accounted off in the costing sheet as well. Thank you for watching.